The bootable USB pen drive is ready, and we can restart the system and boot the system with that created USB pen drive. Now I will press repetitively F2 button on my keyboard to enter into the BIOS settings. In advanced mode, I will go to the boot menu, boot option 1, I will select that UEFI SanDisk wireless stick, that is my USB drive. Now I will press F10 to save the changes and click on yes. In the boot section, I will select install macOS Sonoma number 5 and hit on enter. You can see that system is started booting macOS through the pen drive for installation purpose. Here it will take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. So here you can see like we have few options. So on that we have to select disk utility. Now in that menu, show all devices. So here are two devices. One is a Kingston, another is a CT500. So in CT500 I have Windows. In Kingston I am going to install that macOS. So click on erase and give some name, like I am giving Hackintosh. Once it is done, close it and click on install macOS Sonoma and click on continue. Again click on continue. Click on agree button. Again on agree button. Now select the hard drive, that Hackintosh. Click on continue. Here it will take some time, like it is saying 49 minutes. So I'll fast forward the video so that you will not get bored. Once this is done, then we'll come back again. Yeah, now the system rebooted. In this reboot, we don't need to select anything. It will select automatically macOS installer. You may press enter button or you can leave as it is. It will go to that directly once it is timed out. In this stage, it will also take some time. Again, I will fast forward this video and come back once it is completed. So select India, it's already there. Click on continue. Accessibility not now. Continue. Will not restore anything from old PC, so click on continue. Here I need to provide that cloud ID, as I have cloud ID from Apple. So for privacy purpose, I am just hiding it. Click on continue. It will ask for password, give the password. In my Apple ID, I have two-factor authentication, so it will send one notification to my mobile with one number. So for that, we have to provide that number. So I have given that number, and then click on continue. Once it is validated, it will ask for agree on the terms and condition. Do that. So it already took that full name and account name, as I have Apple ID. So I'm just customizing my account name, providing the password. This password will be set for your system only. This is not related to iCloud. Click on continue. In iCloud configuration, it will take some time. So I will fast forward this video. Once it is done, I will come back again. Yeah, configuration done. Click on continue. Click on continue. For identifying your keyboard, you need to press some keys as per that instruction, and default settings will be NC and US. So keep it. Now you need to copy the TFI folder from USB pen drive to your actual hard drive, which is within your PC. So go to Google, download, open configurator. So you can see that internet is also working. Okay, you will see some trouble while you are scrolling, because that scrolling method is different from Windows PC. So what you need to do in mouse section, you have to turn off that natural scrolling. Then you will be able to scroll like that way, how you used to do in Windows PC. Download OpenCore configurator from this page. You can see that unidentified developer. Go to settings, go to security and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Click on open anyway. It will ask for password. Again click on open anyway. Click on open. Now the open configurator has been opened. You can see in taskbar there is one small icon of OpenCore configurator. Click on that. Then you need to identify the disk where you have installed the macOS in your PC, and you need to identify the bootable USB drive. Mount partition, it will ask for password. Okay, the TFI partition has been mounted on the desktop. You can see. Then click on that mount partition of that where you have installed the macOS. Open partition. Now copy that EFI folder from that USB pen drive to internal hard drive where you have installed that macOS. Once it is done, close all the window. Unmount all the partitions. Eject pen drive. Here I am doing one thing, like you can see that my Wi-Fi is connected to that default Wi-Fi, and you can see that my iPhone is visible over there. Now you have to select that sound card. As I have USB sound card, so I have chosen that. In your case, if you are using onboard sound card, then you don't need to do anything. So you can see that sound is also working here. Every functions. I am just changing that background wallpaper, selecting dynamic wallpaper. Yeah, now you are done. So quit the open configurator and reboot the system. During reboot, you don't need to select any boot option from that BIOS. If you have installed Windows and macOS on same system, then you will get a dual boot menu option. From there, we have to select that Macintosh or macOS. You will get that EFI folder on G drive or on Mediafire. What is available, I will upload there and provide a link in the description. So you can download it from there. And if you have same kind of configuration, you can use the same. So you can see this is already tested, and it's working perfectly with all the devices. In my next video, I will give a demo what are the features are working. Keep following my channel. Please subscribe, like and share. We are putting lots of effort to give you the proper information. This will definitely motivate us. That's all from my end. Thanks for staying with us.